Okay, so this will be the base of my robot arm. So yeah, as you can see, everything is flush here. Oh, I have to correct, I'll sand those down, but this is just a small detail. This is my axis, so this is bolted down only in 4 places, because other 4 holes will be for mounting the HDD timing belt wheel later on. Okay, this is the second part, top part. There's already bearing inside, so those 2 parts keep it in one place. On the other hand, I have similar parts, 2 parts, so one is smaller, it has smaller diameter than the bearing inside, and then another bearing that will go on the top, so it can keep them in place. The other one has bigger diameter, so it can keep it in place from moving to the sides. Another set down here that keeps the one inside. Okay, so let's assemble this. So first, the big bearing. It fits perfectly inside this ring. And the balls. The second part of the bearing goes here. Again, fits perfectly inside this ring. Doesn't fall out, doesn't fall out. So now I can put it on top. Okay, now the small bearing here. First part. And here. Then the balls. Second part. Up. And yeah, I have to clean it a little bit more, because you can see it scratches, but this is just I just finished machining all those parts, at least like holes, etc. So no. And you can make it a little bit tighter, and because there are 2 bearings, 3 bearings, I mean, one bearing is as you can see here, the one bearing is keeping it from swaying. This one is keeping the balls, and the third one inside is keeping it from moving to the sides, so it can rotate, and it's very stable. It's not moving at all when I'm trying to move it up and down. This is just moving the whole part. Yep, I'm trying to move it, but I don't feel any movement up or down. So I guess it works as planned.